Emergence of WCM age. 1. The emergence of the world-class manufacturing, WCM, age signifies a shift towards a more holistic and integrated approach to manufacturing, focusing on excellence, efficiency, and continuous improvement. 2. WCM emphasizes the importance of customer centricity, quality, lean production, and employee engagement, aiming to create a culture of operational excellence and competitiveness. 3. It reflects the recognition that traditional manufacturing practices alone are insufficient to thrive in a globalized and dynamic business environment, necessitating a comprehensive transformation of operational strategies and practices. 4. The WCM age highlights the need for organizations to adopt lean principles, eliminate waste, optimize processes, and embrace innovative technologies to drive efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. 5. It emphasizes the integration of advanced manufacturing techniques, such as just-in-time, production, total productive maintenance, TPM, and continuous improvement methodologies, to achieve world-class levels of operational excellence. 6. The emergence of the WCM age underscores the importance of a collaborative and cross-functional approach, where all members of the organization are involved in the pursuit of excellence and contribute to the overall success of the business. 7. It recognizes the significance of leveraging data and analytics to make data-driven decisions, improve operational visibility, and drive continuous improvement efforts in all aspects of manufacturing. 8. The WCM age emphasizes the need for a strong focus on quality management, ensuring that products and processes meet or exceed customer expectations, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. 9. It highlights the importance of agility and adaptability, as organizations need to respond quickly to market changes, customer demands, and technological advancements to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape. 10. The emergence of the WCM age calls for a culture of learning, innovation, and continuous development, where employees are empowered, engaged, and encouraged to contribute ideas and drive improvement initiatives. 11. It signifies a shift towards a more sustainable and environmentally responsible approach to manufacturing, integrating principles of sustainability, resource efficiency, and waste reduction into operations. 12. The WCM age recognizes the importance of effective supply chain management, fostering strong partnerships, collaboration, and integration with suppliers to ensure smooth and efficient material flow and timely delivery. 13. It places a strong emphasis on employee development, training, and skills enhancement, as well as the cultivation of a positive work culture that encourages accountability, teamwork, and a shared commitment to excellence. 14. The emergence of the WCM age acknowledges the increasing role of technology and digitalization in manufacturing, including the adoption of automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced data analytics to optimize processes and drive operational efficiency. 15. It signifies the recognition that manufacturing excellence extends beyond the shop floor, encompassing all aspects of the business, including product design, customer service, logistics, and after-sales support. 16. The WCM age emphasizes the importance of benchmarking and learning from best practices, both within the industry and across different sectors, to drive continuous improvement and stay at the forefront of manufacturing excellence.